Imagine stepping into your backyard, a space smaller than a tennis court, and harvesting fresh, organic food that could sustain you for an entire year. Sound impossible? I'm here to tell you it's not only possible, but incredibly rewarding. With smart planning and a few key strategies, you can transform your urban plot into a powerhouse of produce. Today, we're diving deep into how homeowners and city dwellers can achieve remarkable food self-sufficiency. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your small garden space. We'll cover everything from soil health to smart crop choices and year-round harvesting. The secret to maximizing a small space lies in intensive gardening. This isn't about sprawling rows, it's about making every square inch count. We're talking about growing more food in less space, more efficiently. This approach focuses on high-density planting, succession cropping, and vertical growth. It's a mindset shift from traditional gardening, designed for maximum yield in compact areas. Prepare to be amazed by what your small plot can produce. First, assess your space. Observe how sunlight moves across your yard throughout the day. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. This crucial step dictates what you can grow where. Consider raised beds for better soil control and drainage. Vertical gardening solutions like trellises, wall planters, and tiered containers are game changers for small spaces. They allow you to grow upwards, multiplying your usable area. Your soil is the foundation of your garden success. Healthy, nutrient-rich soil is paramount for vigorous plant growth and abundant harvests. Think of it as the engine of your food production system. Start by enriching your soil with plenty of organic matter. Compost is your best friend here, improving soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability. Consider a no-dig approach to preserve soil life and structure. Choosing the right plants is critical for a year's worth of food. Focus on high-calorie, nutrient-dense crops that offer a good return on space. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, winter squash, and beans are excellent choices. Leafy greens like kale and Swiss chard can be harvested repeatedly. Don't forget perennial vegetables like asparagus or rhubarb, which produce year after year. Select varieties known for their productivity and suitability for your climate. To ensure a continuous supply, practice succession planting. As one crop finishes, immediately plant another in its place. This keeps your garden producing throughout the growing season. For example, after harvesting early spring radishes, plant bush beans or carrots. Plan your planting schedule carefully to maximize every available moment of sunlight and soil. This strategy prevents bare patches and wasted potential. Water wisely to conserve resources and promote healthy plants. Drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation. Mulching around your plants also helps retain soil moisture. For pest management, embrace organic solutions. Companion planting can deter pests naturally, and beneficial insects can keep harmful populations in check. Regular inspection helps catch problems early before they escalate. Knowing when and how to harvest is key to maximizing your yield and flavor. Many vegetables, like beans and zucchini, produce more the more you pick them. Harvest regularly to encourage continued production. To store your bounty for a year, learn various preservation methods. Canning, freezing, drying, and fermenting are excellent ways to extend the shelf life of your produce. A cool, dark root cellar can store many root vegetables for months. Don't let the colder months stop you. Extend your growing season with simple structures like cold frames or hoop houses. These provide protection from frost, allowing you to grow cool season crops well into winter. Hardy greens like spinach, lettuce, and kale can thrive in protected environments even when temperatures drop. With a little ingenuity, you can enjoy fresh produce almost year-round, even in colder climates. Growing a year's worth of food in a small backyard is an ambitious but entirely achievable goal. It requires planning, dedication, and a willingness to learn, but the rewards are immense. Imagine the satisfaction of feeding your family from your own land. Start small, learn as you go, and celebrate every harvest. Your journey to food self-sufficiency begins now. Get out there, get your hands dirty, and transform your small space into an abundant, edible landscape.